Hello, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to get a promo code and save on your next online shopping. As you can see, I already activated my code and everything works fine. Okay, let's start. This trick only works on mobile devices, so take your smartphone or tablet. Let's jump to mobile screen records for better video quality. First, open your browser and go to promodrop.pro. As you can see, on this page you will find codes for many online stores. Search your store and go to the next step. Now insert all necessary details and click the Proceed button. The last step is a simple verification process. Just click the Verify button and complete your task. Remember to follow the instructions below task. Let's speed up video for this verification process. Thanks for watching and have fun with the promo code. Now back to browser and check the verification status. As you can see, my verification is completed.